Welcome back, everyone. Today, I wanted to show you an absolutely awesome gift that any mechanic would love, but really any person that works with tools knows that the 10mm socket always goes missing. So Harbor Freight came out with this essential 10mm socket set from Pittsburgh. It's their basic line of tools. The reason I love this set is because it has a lifetime warranty. I've never had an issue with Harbor Freight and returning sockets, especially in the Pittsburgh brand. This is a pretty good joke or gag even, because like I said, every mechanic knows that the 10mm socket has legs and it walks away. So we're going to take a look at it and see everything that it includes. In the 1/4-inch drive, you got a shallow impact, a shallow, a flex, and a deep. 3/8, a shallow impact, a shallow, a flex, and a deep. And 1/2 inch, a shallow and a deep. And it comes on a rail here. They even got a little quote down there. The Pittsburgh 10-piece socket set fills the need for every 10mm socket you have ever lost. And man, that's true. So the part number here is 58957. We'll turn it over and take a look at the back. All right, here's the back of the packaging. Says everything that's on the front again. It tells you that it's chrome. It's got high visibility, etching. We're gonna get it opened up and take a look at it. Okay, we got it opened up. It has a nice little plastic tray or keeper there. It has a spot where you can nail it down or screw it down, however. The etching on it seems very nice. The sockets seem like really high quality, honestly. The flex heads stay in position. Now only time will tell exactly how long they'll stay before getting floppy. But overall, the set is very, very nice. This set only costs $15, and honestly, you can't beat it. The amount of times I've looked for a 10mm and not found one has been crazy. So any mechanic or anybody who works with their hands will really love this as a gift, or even pick it up for yourself. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.